everyone, welcome back to Super User Projectile. So today we are going to be taking a look at one of the things that you can do if your Raspberry Pi won't boot. So first step, remove the micro SD card. Now insert it into another computer. So if you haven't done so already, download the Raspberry Pi imager. Select an operating system, select this one here. Select an SD card, whichever SD card you inserted, and click Write. This has completed. Now remove the card and put it in your Raspberry Pi. Now power on your Pi. You can now turn off your Pi. Now you can remove the card, put a card in with an operating system, and it will continue as normal.